I'm going to show you how to use the Snap and Read capture tool. What this tool does is it helps you collect and organize information that you find online for maybe helping you write a paper or doing something like that, even something more complex as a thesis or dissertation, or even just a simple little report on someone. So to utilize this feature, first thing you want to do is make sure that you do have your Snap and Read tool on. That's blue. That means you're signed in. We're going to go to the bottom of our toolbar here to this little arrow in a box and click on that. This is going to be your outline section where everything will go. This is your home screen, and you can actually save and keep multiple outlines at a time. So what we're going to do is click this plus arrow, and this will create a new outline for us. And then you'll have your outline name, your outline, and your source section, as you can see, and you'll have these bullet points. Right now there's only one, but we'll add more as we go along. So first thing we want to do is just find some information that I'd like to use. And then we're going to go ahead, create the new outline. Let's go to the outline name and rename it. The way these bullet points work is that you can organize information that you're finding to give you and keep it organized. It gives you a much better way to keep all this organized for you. And you can either use this little tool right here, where it's the A with the little cursor icon right here. You can either use this to take information directly over, or you can also type in here. So let's say for this first section, the early life of Frederick Douglass. So what you can do here is either hit enter, and this will create a new bullet point. If you press tab, this will actually move it over, so we can start creating information about his early life, and then it'll all be categorized under this until we want to maybe go to another topic about him. So let's go ahead and find some information. So his early life. So we'll go ahead and take this first paragraph and put it over. So we're going to click that toolbar, click on the icon, and then highlight what we want. And it looked like it moved over there. So what you can do if you click on the blue arrow, and you can move it left or right with these two, whatever way you'd like to do. You can also delete it or link it to a site. Let's say if you had typed this up, it's already linked now, but let's say if I typed this up by hand, you could then link it to a site. If you go to the end there, you hit enter again, it will create another bullet point and it will fall under your most left bullet point here. So it's going to be one to the right now. Let's go ahead and find some more information. We'll highlight it, keep it. There we go, and it's already going to be linked. So we can continue doing this. And sometimes you got to be careful that if you click it while it's on, it will create multiple. So let's go ahead and unclick that, and we'll go to a different site and get some more information. Here's some right here. So we're going to go ahead and click here, hit enter, click our icon, and then select what we'd like. And as you can see, it'll auto link it to the website that you find it from. And you can, with the bullet points, what you can do is also really go as far right and organize it as deeply as you want. So let's say since these were two from the same site, we could even continue and move this over one to the right. And that way we know that this is categorized under this bullet point, but then this is on the same level as the second one, but all of them are under the early life. So now that you got a few bullet points and some stuff organized, what we can do also, if you need a bibliography written, is go to your sources. And over your sources, you'll actually have bibliographies auto-written for you about both the websites. And this can be done in MLA form, APA, and Chicago. So whatever you may need them for, you can create them. Or it'll auto-create them for you. It's kind of nice. So this is also compatible with other features of Snap and Read. For instance, in another video I showed you how to use your translate tool. So let's go ahead and let's go ahead and translate some of this text. So you see it translates it into German. So we'll create a new, oh, and if you click on the blue while there's nothing in there, it will just disappear. Let's go ahead, after it's been translated, click on the capture tool, highlight, and there we go. It will then put it in here in the translated language, along as with the other ones, with a link to the site. Okay, so while it's nice to have a custom-made outline, you can also use pre-made outlines for maybe certain type of reports that you're writing. What we're going to do is go up to the top here next to the name of this outline. We're going to hit this left-facing arrow. This will take us back to our home page where it has our outlines. So we have this one right here, and it's saved. So let's go ahead and create a new outline. So it's just going to be auto-named outline name. We're going to go up here to these three dots, and then hit Add Template, Add Outline Template. And as you see here, you have quite a list of these, and you can search them if you'd like as well. It has a little search feature. Let's go up to this. How about this fiction story map? And you just want to left click on it. And as you can see, this will auto create bullet points with them placed under their respective sections. So place in time under setting, main characters, other characters, under characters. And if you'd like, you can go up here and type. And then go through here, type here as well. Now this feature also works with the capture feature. What you can do, now what it does though, even if you highlight it and delete it, if you do use the capture, you need to make sure that it is clicked here. So let's say you want to add something right here for these other characters. So make sure it's selected. And it'll add it right here underneath of it. So then you can just go back and delete what you want, and then you'll have this information underneath the bullet point that you would like. So after you're done creating your outline, if you go up here, what you can do is either you can download it to your computer, then maybe upload it on Google Drive. You can also print these outlines and also open PDFs from them. And that is it for this video. Thanks for watching.